Who says rinsing out a glass can't be easy and maybe even a little fun? If you want to find out how you can add one of these super cool glass rinsing gadgets to your kitchen, then keep watching. Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I, of course, am Eric, and today I'm super excited to introduce you to this really cool glass rinsing gadget from a company called FunTop. This is a stainless steel glass rinser, and it does come in both the standard aluminum, metal, stainless steel color as well as black stainless steel, so it's available in either or depending on your kitchen decor. It has 6 arms, so that when you push down on the glass, or when you push a glass over it, you've got a lot of arms to make sure it pushes down evenly and easily. It has 9 jet sprays on this little dome top, so when you push it down, it releases a valve, and the jet sprays shoot up and just clean the glass really, really well. I'm going to demonstrate this for you. This is the glass that I used in the opening, and you can see you push down, and you can turn it as well so that those sprays don't just get one spot. You can see the water runs down off the sides, it's slightly raised in the middle here to promote the water running off, running out of there. And that's one size. And what's great about this is it works with just about anything. So we have your standard Tervis cup, pretty large mouth cup. You can see it gets that done really well. Water just runs out when it's done. What about coffee cups? When you have coffee in the morning, you know if you leave that coffee sitting in there, it tends to stain the cups. So maybe before you sit it in the sink, you just put it on here. Get it nice and rinsed out before you sit it in the sink. What about a small nozzle, like maybe even a bottle? If you have a baby, you have bottles, they have small tops, or like this is a stainless steel with a really small top, and it'll even go up there. Now it does start to pool inside there because it's putting more water in than can come out, so you have to make sure you do it for a minute and then stop, and then do it for a minute and then stop. But it does work even to rinse those kind of bottles out, which is really, really cool. And you can see even in a narrower bottle, you can do it for that as well. And then this is a really wide mouth stainless steel cup, but there's plenty of room for that as well. So really, really, really cool gadget. Now you do have to install this yourself. Everything is included in the box that you need to install it. And it wasn't that difficult for me, as you can see. It just took time. It took me probably totally about an hour or so, and I was doing it completely by myself without any help. But all the instructions are in there. I watched a YouTube video just to make sure I understood the part about turning off the water flow to the sink and attaching the T. And I watched a little video and it simplified that for me. You can hook this up to either hot water or cold water. Obviously, if you're hooking it up to hot water, then that could be better for rinsing, but you have to make sure everyone knows that, because if it's hot and you push down on this, it's going to shoot hot water everywhere and that could scald someone. So if you have young kids, you might want to think twice about doing that. But you can hook it up to either side, hot or cold. We have it hooked up to the hot water in our house. But really simple, but brilliant device. I just love it because any glass you have, you just push down, rinses it out right away, and it just keeps anything from sitting on there. If you do it with typical kitchen sink, you know, you're like swishing around and trying to get it, and especially the top. Sometimes it's hard to get, and then you get water all over you. Compared to just pushing glass on there and boom, it's done. So much easier. Really, really an awesome, awesome device by FunTop. If you're looking for an easy way to rinse your glasses out, then this is probably the best thing you can use. Now, we put this where there used to be a soap dispenser. You can see in this video what used to be there. There was a soap dispenser there, and we never used that soap dispenser, so we already had the perfect cutout hole to put this. If you don't have that, or you don't have somewhere else, something else already there, you're gonna have to cut a hole, obviously, in order to hook this up. But if you have something you're not using, like a soap dispenser, or maybe one of those spray guns that you don't use, and as long as you have that, you can put this where that was. And you just have to pay attention to the dimensions, make sure you have enough space to fit it in there. I did all my measurements before I got this and made sure I had the right space, and It's there. What I love about it is it doesn't get in the way of anything. It doesn't take up much space. It just barely goes over the edge of the back of the sink here. And then, as you see, it works perfectly to easily and wonderfully rinse out all my glasses. Really, really a super, super cool product, and definitely a product that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in a product like this, share this video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, just post them in the comments below. I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or favorite this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.